In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of finding and removing viruses from your iPhone. If you've been noticing that your iPhone is acting unusually, or if you suspect that there might be a virus on your device, I'll show you how to identify, remove, and restore your iPhone to its previous state. Before we dive into the steps, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me create more content for you. Now, let's jump right in and start with the basics. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Settings list and then tap on Apps. Once you're in the Apps section, scroll down further to find Safari. Safari is often the culprit when it comes to picking up viruses, as many harmful sites or pop-ups can be triggered while browsing the web. Sometimes, while you're browsing, you might receive a pop-up alert claiming your phone has a virus. In such cases, it's important to clear any data that may have been downloaded through Safari. To do this, scroll down and tap on Advanced, which is at the bottom of the Safari settings. Next, tap on Website Data, and this will show you all of the website data that's been saved on your device, including anything from potentially harmful or suspicious websites. If there are any suspicious sites listed here, you can choose to remove all website data. By doing this, you'll be clearing out the data that could be linked to the virus, helping to protect your phone. This is the first step you should take when you suspect there's a virus on your iPhone. After that, let's move on to checking if any malicious files have been downloaded to your device. To do this, swipe over to the app library and search for the Files app. Open the Files app and then tap on My iPhone, followed by Downloads. Now, take a look through the list of files in this folder. If you see anything that looks unfamiliar or suspicious, it's best to delete it. You can easily select multiple files by tapping the three dots in the top right corner, then tapping Select and select All. After selecting the files, tap the trash icon to delete them. This will help remove any malware or viruses that could be hiding in your downloads. Once you've taken care of that, go back to your Settings app and scroll all the way back to the top. Tap on General and then select Software Update. While this might seem like a simple step, it's actually incredibly effective. iOS updates often include important security patches that can help prevent viruses from causing further issues. If there's an update available, make sure to install it, as it could help protect your device from malware and restore its performance. Another thing you should check is the Automatic Update setting. To do this, tap on Automatic Updates at the top of the Software Update section. Make sure the option for Security Responses and System Files is enabled. This will ensure your phone stays updated with the latest security patches and bug fixes automatically. Now, if your iPhone is still acting strange after these steps, another simple yet effective solution is to restart your phone. To do this, press and hold the volume up button and the side button together until the slider appears. Slide to turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve minor issues, including those caused by viruses. However, if you're still encountering problems and you believe there might still be a virus on your iPhone, your next step should be to visit an Apple store. The Apple technicians can run diagnostics on your device to detect any hidden malware or viruses and help you restore your phone back to its original state. They can also help you back up your data and remove any malicious software completely. I hope these steps help you get rid of any viruses or malware that might be affecting your iPhone. If this video was useful to you, the best way to say thank you is by subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to like and share the video if you think it might help someone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.